Hello everyone, welcome back. In this particular lecture, you will be known what is and how the ChatGPT login area, the dashboard we can say in few terms. So what the area it is and where we can ask questions and how to use these options to get very having a less time to making master in this ChatGPT tool. So let's see here. Every question, like whenever we are asking, in the left side there is a new chart. If you want to ask a new question, you need to initiate this button, and whenever you want to ask the questions, you need to type here. Okay, so this is here we need to type QUESTION questions here. We need to type I'll show you very few examples very clearly you to understand. Before going to exciting, see few options we'll see. Light mode here, open AI discard here, or updates and FAQs. If you are having any more doubts or any clarifications of frequently asked questions in ChatGPT, yes, you can go through, see the option. And whenever you are not using ChatGPT, go for logout and secure your ChatGPT AI artificial intelligence tool account secure. Now come to the game. So here examples you may see. Explain quantum computing in simple terms. This is the query you assume it. If you type the same query here, you will get the response very spontaneously. Yeah, I would like to share you more views on ChatGPT also. Nowadays it is a trending and most of the users are trying to getting their query resolutions. So the ChatGPT servers are also getting very slightly slow response. Okay, yeah, the team is working on it and they are trying to improving the hardware and accelerations of the server productivity to getting more information as accurately. All right, now see, got any creative ideas for 10 years of old birthday birthday celebrations, and how do I make a HTTP request in JavaScript, and how do I make a HTTP API web API in Python or any C#. Any question you may ask and you may be wonder on it. So let me a simple question I'll try to ask to the ChatGPT. Okay, so you may also ask what is ChatGPT. Yes, no one instructor is not required. Whenever the learners to be always think that they need to make the real robo and real artificial intelligence such a person needed at workplace. So the work area, if he needs to ask any questions to the any other, why don't you try to use ChatGPT? So let me ask a question to this particular ChatGPT. What is the question? Yeah, simple program I'll ask. Write a calculator program in Python. We have to specify which language to prepare this program. Otherwise it will ask you in terms of what is the calculator and how the preparation. The question whenever you are asking to this ChatGPT AI tool to be a little bit clear. So if you know how to ask a question, definitely a proper way you will get a response. So write a calculator program in Python. Just I am asking ChatGPT. I have sent. Wow, it is started. Here is a simple Python calculator program that can perform basic arithmetic operations. What you need more than this? So let's see. I'm not making any wonder here. Just I am giving you an idea to implement yourself and know the more logics in less time. So see, the program is a DEF. It's nothing but function creation, a keyword, and the name of the function. It is a prepared taking two inputs, and if else conditions it is prepared. If a minus operator, what the user is chosen according to the operations. Here it is given the operations it will be, and invalid operator if it is not other than these characters. And this copy you can code and run the code in your code editor. You will be wondered. Yes, this course you will be wondered. How I designed this course is I'll give you a basics what you know and understand. Then you explore more programs, how as many and create your own projects as many. Okay, so practice all the basic things. If you practice perfect, then you will be master in Python very less days. I'll catch you in the next lecture. What ChatGPT for day-to-day activities it will do. See you in the next one. Thank you.